Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Unbox and Review with Mithun Upendra. As you all know, I'm a big fan of Fast and Furious and I'm trying to collect almost all of the cars from the franchise. So there was a good deal on the premium version of Fast and Furious. So I thought, why not go for it? So I think I paid around 3,300 including shipping for an imported set. That's a good deal, right? I don't remember the handle. I ordered it from the Instagram and WhatsApp group, and I'm going to add it in the description or on the video from where I got it. For now, let's unbox it. So it came in really nice packaging with official Mattel box, which I loved. I did request them to send all the mint condition cards because I'm a card collector. Alright guys, let's open this up. So the thing is, I already collected one car by paying 1,000 rupees and 5 cars for 3,300 or 3,500. It's this side it was never open. Yes, the packaging is awesome, no doubt, no questions. So this is the first one, guys. The card is in awesome condition. There is a slight bend. I think that is okay. But apart from that, the card is in beautiful condition, guys. So this is my first McLaren Senna in my collection, and that too it is a premium. And I'm a big fan of Jason Statham. It's the car he drove in one of the movie. So it is Fast 10. So Jason Statham will take this car and it will have a license plate called as the Raged, which is missing in the Hot Wheels because these are designed for 3+ year kids and they don't want to mention Rage or Punished, all of that. So rear detailing is quite awesome. You can see there is McLaren written here. So a lot of tiny details are there. Rear diffuser and the big chunky spoiler. So beautiful car to be added in the collection. So the next one is 370Z. So this is a car driven by Gal Gadot in Fast 5. Okay, beautiful looking car. So this is how it looks from the back. I used to drive this car in NFS Underground, I think. So most of the time I used to take this one for drifting. So beautiful one. And the next one is 1970 Chevelle SS. So this is Dominic Toretto's car. So full of American muscle. So this is how it looks from the back. License plate, tail lights, all of that detailing is there. From the top, from the front. This one comes with double protector, I think. That's why you cannot see the car clearly from the front and back, but from the side profile, it looks awesome. The alloy wheels on this, I think this is my first muscle car in premium and the alloy wheels looks awesome. I was bored of looking alloy wheels in the main lines for muscle cars, but these are awesome. You can see the tires are inside the fenders. Okay, that is awesome. Kind of gives that low rider look. So this is the car, guys, which I was talking about. I paid 1,000 rupees and recently bought it because this was a special car. The Tokyo Drift is one of the beautiful movies in the franchise and I just love this car. So if you don't remember, this is the car where the race happens and at the beginning he will say all the specs about this car and our hero will say you can rate the brochure. So that's the car this one is. Looks awesome. So the card condition is beautiful. Maybe I'll have to sell my other one because the card condition was not that great. So this is Land Rover Defender, guys. This is my first SUV, I think, or the second SUV in the premium segment. Looks awesome, beefy in matte black. Man, this looks awesome. So awesome set, guys. And I also got one more set. If you want, you can check it out. I was scammed recently, guys. I thought this is an international variant and I paid 2,600 for some guy and he scammed me. It was Indian. And I wanted to open Lamborghini FKP and the McLaren P1. So that is the reason I bought one set, which I found it for MRP. I'll just unbox it, have a look. This one I ordered from Automedel or Automodel, I don't know. I'll add that in the description as well. But these guys are good. They sell it for MRP. And I just love the guys who don't scam. I was scammed 2 times, guys. one with the BMW set. I paid 3,000 rupees for a freaking Indian set. So I had a loss of 1,500 there. And with the hybrid set, I'm in the loss of 1,100 rupees. It's so sad, guys. Collecting is so sad these days. So these guys pack it very nice. I did order a few things like scale motorcycles. This is the first time I ordered Hot Wheels from them, but they are quite good in packing and handling things. Also, I did get my display, which I ordered recently. So I'm going to unpack a couple of cars for my beautiful display. So that's a premium display, guys. So you're going to check it out in my upcoming videos. So here comes the hybrid speed, guys. The card is quite moist. I don't know why. So this is BMW i8 Roadster. Card condition is good, but it is quite moist and have some line here. And coming to 17 Acura NSX, card condition really good. Going to this one, McLaren P1, card condition is good, but it is quite moist. So the FKP have a lot of scratches. Probably I'll open this, I don't know. And this is the Porsche Panamera. So a beautiful family car. Alright guys. So things went well with this one. Finding MRP things is hard these days. What did you feel, guys? Please do subscribe, and I'm going to bring more content. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.